my name is Despina Williams. I'm the Vice President of the Dupuy Langan Group, and today we're going to talk a little bit about travel insurance, risks, and potential liabilities that you should be aware of. And so for those people that do have an employee benefits plan, and most of us do, you will also have a travel insurance component built into your healthcare plan. Great. So you go away on vacation and you have peace of mind knowing that you've got travel insurance. There are pre-existing conditions and exclusions that you do need to be aware of and understand how to use your benefit plan, particularly when you're traveling out of province, out of country. So every insurance policy does have some kind of limitation. With travel insurance attached to your group benefits policy, there are exclusions for pre-existing medical conditions. So prior to leaving the province or the country, make sure that your health condition is stable, and in the prior 90 days before leaving the province or the country on your vacation, to make sure that if you do have a change in your medical history, that you contact the travel insurance carrier and make sure that you speak with their medical team and get that issue cleared before you leave the country. If you have an event that occurs while you're traveling and you end up in a hospital in a medical emergency situation for a pre-existing condition, that claim will be declined. And so we have seen many cases throughout our years of working with organizations where employees have traveled out of country. They did not provide previous information on their medical status. They've had a change. They were in an instability clause in the 90 days prior to leaving, and yet they didn't action on that to have that cleared, and therefore their benefits were declined, and now the employee has to come up with payment to that hospital out of country, 100% out of pocket. So the second issue is for any excursions that you're going to be doing and partaking in hazardous sports. These are also considered exclusions under a group benefits policy for travel insurance. So for those employees that enjoy participating in sports such as scuba diving, mountaineering, paragliding, such sports as those, and pay attention to the book, read the fine print in your booklet, those are excluded activities under a travel insurance policy. Doesn't mean you can't get coverage, but there are carriers that will offer special risk coverage for those individuals that do partake in hazardous sports activities. And so we do recommend that you contact your travel insurance carrier as soon as possible, right when the event occurs if you are in the hospital, and so to coordinate that payment directly with the carrier. And so what will happen is, if you don't do that, they could actually decline the claim temporarily, or there could be a delay in payment to the hospital. And so if you also pay up front, instead of having this go through your travel insurance benefit plan, when you return to Canada, the coordination of having that reimbursed back to you may take months and months, 6 to 9 months, as it has to go through the medical services plan first. So these are just some tips that you can take with you, and understand how to use your benefit plan, particularly the travel insurance, and be aware of these exclusions on your policy. So always read the fine print. Take a moment to review your benefit policy. Look under the page of travel insurance and review all of the exclusions that are attached to that benefit policy, so that you're fully aware of what you are entering into when you leave the province or country for a vacation. We're happy to help you in any situation like that, so feel free to give us a call at the Dupuy Langan Group, and we're here to help you. Thank you.